Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. In today's video, we'll start with exercise 4. In that, the word problems related to addition and subtraction of decimal is being given. It is on page number 47. Just let us go through the question. The question is given that a piece of cloth is 75.56 meter long. Rama cut a piece of 28.75 meter from it. How much cloth is remained? That we have to find out. एक piece of cloth है, उसकी length दे दी, it is 75.56 meter. उसमें से रामा ने एक piece cut कर दिया, उसकी length थी that was 28.75 meter from it. तो कितना cloth बचा है that we have to find out. So as it is a word problem, we have to write down the statement. So what we'll write down, length of piece of cloth. So total length of piece of cloth is given, that is equal to 75.56 meter. Now piece of cloth cut from it is equal to 28.75 meter. So in 3 steps only we will finish the sum. So write it in that manner only how I had written, so it will be easy. अब find क्या करना है, how much cloth is remaining. So therefore piece of cloth remaining is equal to, what we have to do, we have to subtract it. So 6 minus 5 is 1, 5 minus 7 is not possible, so we'll borrow from here. So now it will become 15. Now 15 minus 7 is 8. 4 minus 8 is not possible, so 14 minus 8 is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4. So the cloth which is remaining, that is 46.81 meter. Same way, question number 2, it is being there. A man has a 100 rupee note. He bought vegetables for rupees 26.75 rupees. How much money does he has? उसके पास कितने बचे? उसके पास थे कितने? एक 100 रुपी नोट थी, उसमें से 26.75 रुपीज़ का वेजिटेबल उसने खरीद लिया. सो अभी उसके पास कितना मनी बाकी है, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो व्हाट विल राइट, total money with him is equal to rupees 100. Then write cost of vegetables is equal to rupees 26.75. Now here it is 100, here it is 26.75, so we have to put 2 zeros over here. Now we have to borrow from here, so it will become 0, 9, 9, 9, and it will become 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 2 is 7. So what we'll write, money left with him is equal to rupees 73.25. Same way, question number 3 is being given. A man has 100 rupees. He gave rupees 49.50 to his son and rest of the money to his daughter. How much money does his daughter get? मतलब 100 रुपीज़ था, उसमें से 49.50 उसने अपने सन को दे दिया, और जो बाकी बचा था that was being given to his daughter, उसकी बेटी को दे दिया था. तो उसकी बेटी को कितना मिला, that we have to find out. So what we'll write, same statement, total money with him is equal to rupees 100.00. Money given to his son is equal to rupees 49.50. So we'll subtract, and here what we'll write, therefore money given to his daughter is equal to rupees, again the same 999, and sorry, here no need to cut, here it will be 0 minus 0 is 0, 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 4 is 5. So how much rupees his daughter will get? That will be rupees 50.50. Now question number 4. It is being given that a bag contains 75 kg of rice, another bag contains 15.75 kg of rice. What is the total weight of the rice? Total weight of rice we have to find out. Now total means what we have to do? We have to find out the addition over there. So what we'll write, rice in first bag is equal to 75 kg. So we'll make it 75.00 because another bag is having 15.75. That's why rice in second bag is equal to 15.75 kg. Therefore total rice is equal to, we cannot subtract, so 4, 9, 10, 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2, 4 minus 5 is not possible, so we'll borrow from here, so it will become 14, 14 minus 5 is 9, 6 minus 1 is 5. So total rice is how much? 59.25 kg. Then question number 5. 27.5 kg of sugar was sold from one bag containing 75 kg of sugar. How much sugar was left? Okay, sugar total कितना था? 75 kg. उसमें से 27.5 kg was being sold, means बेच दिया था. तो अभी sugar कितना बचा है? That we have to find out. So that fifth one you do it by yourself. It's very simple. We'll go with sixth one. From a ribbon of length 15 meter, two pieces 7 meter and 6.5 meter were cut. Find the remaining length. Means एक ही ribbon थी. From that 2 pieces were being cut और उसका measurement दिया है 7 meter and 6.5 meter. तो अब कितना रिबिन बचा है? दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. रिबिन एक ही था, उसमें से 2 पीस कट कर दिया, एक 7 मीटर और एक 6.5 मीटर. तो अब वो जो 15 मीटर लेंथ की जो रिबिन थी उसमें से अब कितना रिबिन बचा है? दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? पहले दोनों जो पीस कट किए उसको प्लस करेंगे तो पता चलेगा कि टोटल कितना रिबिन कट किया है, और फिर उसको 15 में से हम क्या कर देंगे? सबट्रैक्ट. ओके, so we'll write length of first piece of ribbon is equal to, it's 7.0 meter. Length of second piece of ribbon is equal to 6.5 meter. therefore total length of two pieces of ribbon is equal to, just add it, 0 plus 5 is 5 and 7 plus 6 is 13.5 मीटर। मतलब ये दोनों पीस का टोटल कितना हो रहा है, 13.5 मीटर। नाउ द टोटल लेंथ ऑफ ribbon is equal to, it is given 15 मीटर। why I had written 0 because यहाँ पे वो आएगा for subtraction, and total length of two pieces of ribbon is equal to 13.5 meter, and here length of ribbon left is equal to, you cannot subtract, so 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, so total 1.5 meter ribbon is left। पहले क्या दिया था, first it was given that the length of the ribbon was 15 meter, उसमें से दो पीस कट किए, तो अब वो रिबन में से कितना बाकी रह गया, तो वो दोनों पीसीस को मिला के कितना हो रहा है, 13.5 मीटर, मतलब उसमें से कट कर दिया है। अब कितना बचा, तो 15 में से 13.5 एंड विल सब्ट्रैक्ट, इट विल कम एज 1.5 मीटर ऑफ रिबन इज लेफ्ट। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, it is given that what should be added to 1.795 to make it equal to 5। मतलब 1.794 में हम कितना ऐड करेंगे तो वो 5 हो जाएगा, कंप्लीट 5। सो क्या करना पड़ेगा, वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 1.794 फ्रॉम 5 में से उसको माइनस करना पड़ेगा। 5.000 में से किसको माइनस करना पड़ेगा, 1.794। क्यों सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है कि 1.794 में कितना ऐड करेंगे तो वो 5 हो जाएगा। तो क्या करेंगे हम, 5 में से इसको माइनस कर देंगे तो उतना इसमें ऐड करना पड़ेगा। तो अगेन 4, 9, 9 and it will become 10. 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 7 is 2, 4 minus 1 is 3। तो कितना ऐड करना पड़ेगा, 3.206 इसमें ऐड करेंगे, सो आंसर विल कम अस 5। Then 8th one, how much centimeter rope should be added to a rope of length 76 meter to make a rope of length 1 meter। अब क्या दिया है, पहले यहाँ पे क्या दिया था, रुपीस, सॉरी कितना ऐड करेंगे तो 5 आएगा। इन 8th क्वेश्चन इट इज़ बीइंग गिवन दैट हाउ मच सेंटीमीटर रोप शुड बी एडेड। रोप है एक 76 सेंटीमीटर की, उसमें हम कितना ऐड करेंगे तो उसकी लेंथ 1 मीटर हो जाएगी। देखो नाउ वन थिंग इज बीइंग गिवन हियर दैट 1 सेंटीमीटर में दिया और आंसर चाहिए मीटर में। सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल कन्वर्ट मीटर इनटू सेंटीमीटर। हम मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे एंड देन ओनली वी कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट एंड फाइंड आउट कि सेंटीमीटर छोटा है, मीटर बड़ा है, तो ये बड़े में से ही हम उसको छोटा बना देंगे। सो द लेंथ ऑफ रिबन, लेंथ ऑफ द रोप इज बीइंग गिवन 100 meter, 1 meter which will be converted into 100 centimeter। So what we'll make, question number 8, that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, okay, because the length of the rope is given in centimeter। So what it will come, 100 point, okay, no need point, minus 76 we have to do, then only we will get that how much should be added. So 0, 9 and 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4 and 9 minus 7 is 2, means 24 centimeter should be added to 76, so that we will get the answer as 1 meter, that is equal to 100 centimeter. So this is the answer for question number 8. Now the last, okay, ninth one I will do it. Mani was 1.3 meter tall in 1994. His height increased 0.2 meter in 2 years. What is his height in 1996? मतलब उसकी height क्या थी? That we'll write first. Mani's height in 1994, that is 1.35 meter. Then his height increased in 2 years. 2 साल में उसकी हाइट कितनी बढ़ी? तो क्या 0.2, so we can write as 0.2 meter. So therefore Mani's height in 1996 हो जाएगा ना, 2 years में 0.5 मीन्स 94 प्लस 2 इज 1996 में उसकी हाइट कितनी होगी? सो मीटर. So now we have to add it. So meter as it is, here nothing, so we can put 0. So 5 plus 0 is 5, 3 plus 2 is 5 and 1 plus 0 is 1. So Mani's height in 1996 will be 1.55 meter. 94 में कितनी थी? 1.35. 2 साल में उसकी हाइट कितनी बढ़ी? 0.2. सो टोटल उसकी हाइट कितनी होगी 1996 में, मीन्स आफ्टर 2 years, सो his height is 1.55 meter. Now the last question, you have to do it by yourself. I will just explain it. That Shekhar had 500 rupee note. He bought his dresses in rupees 375.25. How much money did he get back? मतलब उसके पास टोटल कितने रुपीज़ थे? 500 रुपीज़ ही वॉज हैविंग. उसमें से उसने 375.25 रुपीज़ का क्या ले लिया? ड्रेस ले लिया खुद के लिए, मीन्स कपड़े ले लिए. सो हाउ मच मनी डिड ही गेट बैक? उसको वापस कितने रुपीज़ वापस मिले? जब उसने 500 की नोट दी, उसमें से इतने का उसने ड्रेस ले लिया था, तो उसको वापस कितना मिला? दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो राइट डाउन द सिंपल स्टेटमेंट एंड फाइंड आउट द answer. What you will write? Total money with Shekhar is equal to 500 rupees. Money used for buying dress or dress bought for is equal to rupees 375.25, and therefore money he get back is equal to करके subtract करके find out the answer. So which question I had told? Question number 5 and question number 10 you have to do it by yourself, and by here we complete our exercise 4. In the next video we'll move with multiplication of division of decimals, multiplication and division of decimals. पहले उसमें multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000 सीखेंगे. So 2 sums in homework, question number 5 and question number 10. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you and take care.